guys, welcome back to another Capital Games 500 video. I know it's been a while that we've last met or we've last spoken back when I was actually making some bank, but ever since I started losing some money in the stock market, I got a little bit depressed. Didn't want to do anything, wouldn't want to wake up, would wake up, gamble, invest, and see days like this, so go back to sleep and just go back in my hole and never come out. So that's where I've been gone. As you guys know, the stock market is crazy. This is one of the craziest weeks I've ever seen in the stock market. To be fair, I am a private, not a veteran in the stock market. The only thing I know is they're good at stealing your money. They're good at they're good at giving you some and taking some. But as you guys can see, this week has been insane gains. This is just Shopify on my little chart right here. Shopify has done incredible. I did not foresee it going to 1,000 that fast. When I saw Shopify hit the $800 mark, I did not expect it to zoom up all the way to 1,000. Even less for Tesla. And I'm on Webull. That's why my charts are different to most people, and that's why they look kind of weird and confusing. So let's go over to the simpler Robinhood app on my desktop, and let's check out Tesla had an amazing, like the best week. If you had calls, you were making bank, but gosh, shoulda, woulda, coulda does not exist. In the last week, Tesla has gone up 21%, $213 in total. So calls were making you bank every day. Every day, Tesla just was crushing it, going up and down. Yesterday, Wednesday, it looked flat, but it just skyrocketed overnight, even after a couple of gains. I know my brother-in-law, he wanted to bet against Tesla because he's just like, oh, it's too high. But I'm like, no, brother, no. Like the bulls are in, they're rushing, and they have so much momentum, so much power. Where is Tesla gonna go? I believe Tesla's going easily $1,500. When? I don't know. I don't even want to call it. Easily next week we can just see a big dip, or ahead and we can see a dip. It can just start going down, going sideways, until people start getting more money so they can buy in more stocks, more shares. The economy as a whole is crazy. As you guys know, in California, they are going back and closing businesses. So why are stocks not going down? Why are they continuously going up? Like I said in the beginning, I've been gambling, investing, and I think that's what people are doing. They're really just dumping their money into the stock market. Hey, what else can I do? Where can I make a quick buck, have some fun? It's in the stock market. And to be truthful, it is fun. It's crazy. Like, these are like, oh, I'm at $900. Oh gosh. But I was up for like the first 2 seconds. I was up like $50. But then, I didn't follow my risk to reward protocol on an options trade that I was doing, and I fell hard. I fell $200. not the greatest day for me, but a crazy week. Overall, I'm very excited to see what more is going to be brought up in the stock market the next week. I just wanted to say to be careful. Honestly, if you're watching YouTube videos to get some insight into like, oh, well, how can I make some money? What can I do? Honestly, no video is going to help you. And once it's go time, once you're in the trenches, once you're looking at, like, for example, the Webull chart that gives you more information up to date, like, whoa, candlestick, up, down, momentum, EMIs giving me indicators to buy. Oh my gosh, we went flat all day, even though I lost money right here. I lost money on Tesla right here today because I was hoping the mother effer would drop. You see my little blue trend line? So I was watching it. I was waiting for the 9 EMA to cross under the 21, which on the 1 minute mark it did, but I'm dumb. I didn't look at the 15-minute mark, and it went back up and it just stayed flat, and I lost some money. Crazy stuff. I'm gonna do my best to help all of you guys to actually do proper investing. That's where I didn't want to make videos because I'm like, I feel like I'm a scam. I think, oh guys, this is gonna go up, and it's like, it's the saying, you're right until you're proven wrong. So I'm always gonna be right until I'm proven wrong, and that has happened to me lately when I was calling out GAN and Gamble, those stocks back in my first videos. I said these are gonna go up. I really believe in them. I truly did believe in them. I bought them, but then I got scared and I became a bear, and I pulled out my money, and some of them did drop. But as GAN, let's check out GAN, this mother effing amazing stock that I should have just like held on to. jumped from when I sold it at $21, it jumped to $27. So a crazy return. It even dropped back down to $17, $18 in this last month around, as you can see, like right here, it went up to 21. It went down earlier when I called it, and it just skyrocketed. Vroom. This is what's this? And minus 17% all the way to 21. This is like a 40% return right here in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Buy and hold is a great strategy, but you obviously have to know when to exit and keep up to date with companies that you're buying. I felt like a charlatan, so I didn't want to make videos. I didn't want to obviously say the obvious. Oh my gosh, the stock market should go down. Everyone's saying that. Everyone's doing that. So I believe that my purpose on my channel on Capital Gains 500 is to truly help people and give them my opinion and help them learn from my mistakes into the best way of investing and trying to be a real investing teacher, a real investor, not just those phony, oh, buy this, buy that, oh, the hype. Like, I want to just share with you guys companies that I truly believe in. Obviously do a little bit more back research other than, oh, it's an electric company, you should invest in it. Oh, it's going to merge with this one, and once it merges, it's going to go up. Again, you're right until you're proven wrong, and that's all I got to say. I've been right until I've been wrong, and lately I've been wrong, and that's why I haven't not been wanting to make videos. But that's why people lose money, because they believe someone has the answers, and truly no one has the answers. I did not foresee Tesla going up to 1,200. I did see it going up to 1,000, and it did hit it, and then it went back down and went back up to 1,000, but then got large momentum and jumped up to almost 11, and then overnight jumped over to 1,200, and that is where we're at with this crazy stock market. But again, some stocks do not reflect what's going on in the world as a whole. They're not obviously going to reflect what's going on in the world. There's too many dynamics going on in the stock market. It's macroeconomics, it's microeconomics, it's the US, it's the whole economy. People are flooding into, not even just Americans, it's also other countries that are flooding into the American stock market and pouring their money in there to gain some to get some returns when other places might not give you nothing. So we're in crazy times. I'm going to do my best to bring you guys best information in my opinion and my educational purposes to help you guys. So thank you guys for being here and subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I promise, to do my best for you guys, but always take my information with a grain of salt. Again, we're all right until we're proven wrong. So thank you, and have a great day, guys.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, bottom dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.